Afternoon. Bit of a change on the way with the weather. The Atlantic influence is back, and we've got some rain spreading in from the west. Now, it's not wet everywhere. The satellite sequence shows fairly clear skies across the eastern half of the UK. It was a cold and frosty start, but there's been plenty of sunshine so far today. But out west, you can see that cloud moving in, and that is a rain-bearing cloud. Not only rain, but we've also got some pretty strong winds. So let's zoom into the southwest. Wet and windy here to the afternoon. The bright greens indicating the potential for some heavy bursts of rain. It's all creeping its way a little bit further eastwards. Western Wales looking quite wet this afternoon. Again, the rain and those gusty winds creeping a little bit further inland. A miserable afternoon across Northern Ireland, some heavy bursts of rain, some pretty strong winds, and that wet, windy weather just creeping its way into western Scotland. But eastern Scotland, a very different story altogether. It's dry, it's bright, there's some sunshine here, and a similar story down the northeast of England. The northwest always a little bit more cloudy. There'll be some patchy clouds through the Midlands, but East Anglia, the southeast, fine and dry with plenty of sunshine. But even with the sunshine, it's not a particularly warm afternoon. Temperatures probably peaking at around about 6 or 7 degrees in London. Head up towards Newcastle, and those temperatures probably no better than 4 degrees. In spite of the wind and the rain, 7 degrees in Belfast, 9 in Plymouth. Now this evening we'll see that rain spread right the way across Wales, through the Midlands, towards the southeast. There'll be some heavy bursts of rain around, particularly, say, through the late evening period. But come the small hours of the morning, the rain begins to fizzle out. So there'll be some patchy rain too, to the Irish Sea into western Scotland. But the northeast stays dry, and here we'll see some mist and some fog forming, and here's where we'll see the lowest of the temperatures. A touch of frost here, maybe not so elsewhere. To start the morning, it'll be grey and dull and damp for the southern counts of England, South Wales, but the rain should slowly fizzle out through the morning. The clouds should thin and break. I think most of us will end the afternoon on a dry, bright note. The best the sunshine, the further north you are. However, out towards the west, we'll see the cloud thickening up once again. The next batch of rain will be moving its way in from the Atlantic, and that rain will spread its way right the way across Northern Ireland through Thursday night into Friday. We'll see some rain for these northern and western areas, but Friday daytime, most of the rain will be in the north, drier and brighter, and down towards the south and the east. Come the start of the weekend, we'll see southerly winds push all the rain to the far north of the UK, and even here that rain should tend to fizzle out. A lot of cloud around, but look at those temperatures to start the weekend into double figures just about everywhere. So turning very mild for the starts of the weekend. Of course, there's plenty more weather on the BBC Weather.